When the powerful built thrones of sand, et built eternity in the hearts of men. And yet, the colonies feared him. They had conquered entire kingdom, subdued people, burned village. But before him, they were disarmed, for what a carrier could not be chained. They exiled him. They dragged him through the sands of Gabon, into the prison of Mauritania. But never were they able to bend his spirit. For his strength was never raised like a weapon. It was spread, whispered in the depth of the night, sung through mystical verse, passed from hat to hat. Et never lifted en arm and yet, it was en entier empire that made tremble. Cheikh Amadou Bamba, the saint, the sage, the resistor, the man in the white turban whom even iron could not break. This is his story, a tale of light within darkness, a flame the century have never extinguished. For Amadou Bamba, the greatest revolt against injustice is dignity in effort, constancy in faith, and the refusal to submit to evil. To work is to resist. To till the land is to liberate a people. To learn and to teach is to prepare an army of conscience. And this message cross the countryside. Et distribute neither weapon nor slogan only word. Yet those words awaken. They stir, and soon entire people listen. Disciples come from everywhere. Entire villages embrace his voice. They follow him, imitate him, cherish him. He is now called Gdimaer Rasl, the servant of the prophet. And in his poem, his sermon, his gesture, et insist, the true jihad is in war. It is the struggle against the ego, against ignorance, against greed and hatred. Et reject evil but never attack the other. Et calls for peace yet remain unshakable in the and yet, despite barbed wire, despite surveillance, despite exile, Bamba's voice crossed rivers, borders, and walls. They tried to bring him down, they tried to humiliate him, they wanted to erase him from history but instead, they carved his name into memory. For even without a sword, Cheikh Amadou Bamba became the empire's worst nightmare and Africa's greatest pride. The living legacy of Mouridism. Music. Cheikh Amadou Bamba never ruled an empire of stone. He never possessed a golden throne, and yet he built a city greater than the capitals of kings, a city born not of power, but of faith. A city forged in silence, sand, and light, Touba. At the heart of the savannah, where the wind carry prayer and fields of devotion stretch beyond the eye, he did not build walls. It rest a pass, a voice of justice, a voice of peace. A voice, subscribe so you don't miss the next great African legends. Like, comment, share, and let the story of Cheikh Amadou Bamba shine everywhere around you.